Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV 1, and today I got some more things from Shop Disney. So I thought I would open up what I got, and they're all Wishables. As you can tell, I have a thing for Wishables. I'm a little obsessed, but that's okay. As you can tell behind me, I have quite a few. So I thought we'd do an unbagging of the new Wishables. The brand new ones are out, the Country Bears, and I was so excited when they put these on Shop Disney, so I can't wait to see which ones we have. We also have a Monsters Inc. one, and I thought maybe I'd show you some of the ones that I've collected so far as well. So, hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, well let me show you the things that I got at Shop Disney. So I ordered these at the beginning of the month, didn't get them till, you know, towards the end of the month, but that's the way it goes usually. It takes a couple weeks for them to process it and get it shipped. And I did think that they were lost in the mail because my tracking number wasn't working, so I was so sad about that, but they came today, so yay. So yeah, because the Country Bear ones were sold out online, so I couldn't replace them if it did get lost. Luckily that didn't happen, but let me show you. So my first one that I got, I had to get this one. So he's, of course, you know, not a secret one, not in a bag. He's one that's outside of a bag. And I have all the other flower and garden ones, which I can show you here in a minute. I have them actually out in my living room right now, decorating for springtime. But I did not get little Mickey Mouse while we were there at Epcot. Of course, the parks have been closed, so I couldn't go back and get them. But they put them on Shop Disney, so I had to pick up little Farmer Mickey to complete my set. But how adorable is little Mickey? Look, he's got a little apple there. I like how he's winking. He's got his apron on. He's ready for gardening. He is adorable. Of course, they have their little tag, the Wishables tag. And these are the same price as the bag ones, so $9.99. Once Disney opens back up, well, the World of Disney store is opening very soon, we can get our 20% annual pass discount again, so I can't wait. I missed getting that on these, but that's okay. So this is the first little Wishable I got from Shop Disney. So yeah, I can't wait to add them to my collection, and I will show you the rest of my flower and garden ones after we do the unpacking. So the next ones we got, we actually got two of the brand new ones. You know, I don't really like ordering them on Shop Disney because it is hard. You know, you might get the same one like we did in my past video. I got two of the snack ones, two of the same ones, the cotton candy one, but Liam was excited. I gave him one, so I'm glad he was happy about that. But I hope we didn't get the same Country Bear one today. We'll see. But that's okay, we got two. Hopefully our chances are good. So let me show you the front of the bag there. So there's 4 different choices. Here's the choices there on the back. So it looks like we can get a Henry, Teddy Bara, Baby Oscar, Bunny, Bubbles, and Baloo. Is it Balula? Bula? I'm not sure. Beulah. Maybe that's it. So anyways, and I heard there's a mystery one as well. Not sure what that one is. And then of course there is the standalone one is Big Al, and I missed out on getting him. He sold out super quick, but that's okay. I just hope we get the one I really want. I want Teddy Bear and Baby Oscar. Those are the two I really want. Look at Baby Oscar. He's got a little teddy bear. So cute. So that's the two I want, but I'll be happy with any. So we got 2 bags of those. And then the Monsters Inc. one I thought was super cute as well. So I did get 1 bag of this one. I'm hoping to get either Mike Wazowski or Boo. But again, I'll be happy with any that I get. So there's Boo, Mike Wazowski. You have the little taxi cab, like the ride at Disney, at California Adventure in Disneyland. And then of course, Roz. So not sure which one we'll get, but I can't wait to find out. So what do you guys think? Should we start with this one? That's what I'm thinking, and then we'll open the 2 Country Bears last. All right, so let me see. Part of the fun is, you know, feeling these little guys to see what you think it is. And oh my goodness, I think it's Boo, and that's what I wanted because I can kind of feel her little octopus. They look like octopus, but they're monster arms. I think I feel these little arms here. And Chloe thinks we have a treat because it sounds like a little treat bag down here. Like, what you got there, Mama? So yeah, and I think I might either those little arms or her hair too. She's got the pigtail hair. I don't know. I'm thinking it's Boo. I could be totally off and it could be Ross, but it feels like Boo to me. Alright guys, I'm excited. Let's open it up and see. Love these bags too, aren't they cool? Alright. Chloe's like, oh, what you getting, mama? Usually I don't have this much trouble opening these. Alright, so I couldn't get it opened. Gotta get the scissors. You know why? I haven't done this in so long. Oh my goodness, I totally forgot. There's a tear. Wow, okay. It's Boo! I was right. Oh my goodness, this is the one I wanted. She's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness, look at her. Look at her little face. Her little costume. Chloe's like, let me see, mama, let me see. Turn her around. She even has a little hood, the little eyeballs. Oh, she's adorable. Come here, baby. You want to see her, don't ya? Chloe says, I want to see her, mommy. I want to see her. She's cute, isn't she? Well, we're really lucky with Miss Chloe. She doesn't get into, you know, little stuffed toys. Because this does look like, you know, small enough to be her little toy. But she just like, she sniffs it and she's like, okay, it's not mine, it's mama's. She's a good girl. But oh my word, I'm so excited. Okay, this is the one I wanted so bad. This one in Mike Wazowski. So once the parks open, World of Disney, if they have these, I'm going to see if I can get Mike Wazowski. I think he'd be able... Pretty easy to figure out which one he is because he's pretty round. So yay, Boo! Alright guys, we're on a roll so far. Cross your fingers for the Country Bears that we don't get two of the same ones. Alright, Miss Chloe. Okay. They're both very big, like it's a big one, but I'm not sure. Alright, let's see if we can... Obviously they're bears. So it's gonna be, these are gonna be hard to tell. The one with the top hat I think would be easy to tell. This one is not, doesn't have the top hat. Oh, I don't know. These are hard. I don't know. Let's just open it up. I have no guesses. No guesses. All right, let's go. I'm so excited. Ooh, all right. I'm excited for this one. We got little either bunny bubbles or, is it Beulah? I'm not sure, but she's cute. So check her out. She's got her cute little bonnet on. Very cute face there. She even has little hair sticking on the side of her bonnet, which is cute. A little bow here. Aw, she's adorable. I love it. She is really, really cute. All right, so I'm excited for our first little country bear. Let's see what our next one is. Oh, I hope it's Oscar. We'll see, we'll see. I'm not sure if it is. I don't think I feel the little teddy bear that he's holding. If it is. I don't know. Okay, let's open it. I'm excited. Ah! Of course. Of course. Two of the same. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am, yeah, 2 for 2 on ordering 2 of these on Shop Disney and getting the exact same ones, but that's okay. Now I can give one away. I know my good friend Maria from Lake Point of Visitors wanted one, so Maria, you got a bear. You gave me a daisy, so I'll get you a bear. All right, well, I'm kind of disappointed, but I'm excited. At least I got one because they're sold out now. Didn't get little Mr. Oscar, but that's okay. That's all right. All right, well, and again, there are 3 of those bears that sing, so. So, you know, I could have Bubbles and Bunny. This could be Bunny. I don't know. Beulah. So, anyways. Alright, well, we got 2 of the 3. If I would have got a 3rd one, I probably would have got another one. Oh, well. I did get Boo. I'm so excited for Boo. And, of course, this one I knew I was getting a little Farmer Mickey here. So, yay! Alright, well, let me show you some of the other Wishables that I have. Alright guys, I'm going to show you the flower and garden ones first. So, on, I think it was the day after opening day. Because opening day we did a live stream, so I wasn't able to go shopping right away. So when I went back in the store, they were sold out. I was so sad. But they got more, and they only had a few bags actually the next day when we went back. They had the butterfly, so check him out. He's adorable, or she, I'm not sure, but yeah, little hidden Mickeys there on the wings. And the Epcot symbol down here, I love that. It's so cool. And here's the back. Isn't that cool? And of course the little butterfly has Mickey ears on with a Mickey on the hat, which is also adorable. And then we got little Minnie Mouse there in her beautiful dress and her hat. She's ready for gardening. She's got her flowers there. Super cute. Little Minnie Mouse. And now I have Mickey to match. Yay! So I got her, you know, when Epcot was still open. And then I got one of the Frushies. I really wanted the pink one, but that's okay. I got the yellow Frushi here. Really cute. I like it. I like how the fruit in the back make a hidden Mickey. And then on the back it says Flower and Garden. So I have a yellow one and I also have a green one. So check it out. Two of them. And I think the only other one is the pink one. And I'll have the entire set. So, so yeah, these are super cute. I like how the faces are different too. And then the one that I wanted the most when I saw they were coming out with the Flower and Garden Wishables was little topiary Figment, who is adorable. Took me a little while to figure out him and Minnie Mouse. It was hard to figure out. Now that you see them, you would think it would be easy, but in the bag it was kind of hard. So anyways, there's little Figment, topiary. So adorable. I love my Flower and Garden Wishables. So I also have some on the shelf behind me here. And let me just show you a few that I have. So I have the Mickey Waffle. I think I showed that in the last video. A little Chubby from Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Super cute. There's Sven from Frozen. Olaf, one of my favorite characters there. And Stitch. How cute are Olaf and Stitch? They're adorable. And then I'm pretty sure I showed you my Space Mountain, my onion, I like to call him. He looks like a little onion. And then my favorite, these are all of my favorite, are the park icons. So we have, of course, Spaceship Earth, Cinderella's Castle, my house, Tower of Terror, the Tree of Life. And then when our West Coast crew came to visit, Britt brought me this one, the Sleeping Beauty's Castle in Disneyland. So I'm so excited to have the complete set. And then we have the Mickey's Fun Wheel, which we sold here in Disney World. Also adorable. And then we have the ice cream Mickey bar. I didn't have that one. Donna gave me that one. They had an extra one. So that completes my first Disney Park food series. And then the popcorn, which I got right before Disney closed at Animal Kingdom, actually. Few more down here. So we have the Runaway Railway train. It's also adorable. Mickey and Minnie in their car got that opening day. Love it. And of course the infamous Daisy. You know, Maria got a ton that day. So I got one of Maria's. Thank you, Maria. Here's some of the park snacks. We got the Mickey ice cream sandwich, Dole Whip. There's the cotton candy, the one that I got 2 of. And the strawberry bar. And then this is part of the Frozen as well. This is one of the trolls. And I also have Little Zero. I love Little Zero. You guys know I love Disney dogs. He's part of the Disney dogs and he's adorable. Actually, I remember getting him while we were doing a live stream. Or not a live stream. I was vlogging at Disney Springs and opened him up on one of my vlogs and I was so excited I picked the right one. He's so cute. Alright guys, well that is it for our Wishable, you know, unbagging from Shop Disney. We got, you know, a couple of the Country Bears, same ones, but that's okay. We're 2 for 2 here. But I did get little Boo, I'm excited for Boo, and little Farmer Mickey. So I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this video and checking out some more of my Wishables. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a comment down below which one of my Wishables is your favorite. It's hard for me to pick. I don't know. They're all so cute. They're just so cute. And leave me a comment down below if you also collect the Disney Wishables. I love them. But anyways, all right guys, well, you know, make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, and check out our sponsors, mickeyblog.com and mickeystravels.com, for the best in free Disney planning advice. And also, Victor Naraki, he is a realtor here in Central Florida. If you've ever dreamed about living near the magic, check him out at celebratingflorida.com or facebook.com/Naraki Realtor. Make sure you tell him Resort TV 1 sent you. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.